The menu bar in CorelCAD is similar to many other menu bars in other Windows programs, and some of the menus themselves, such as File, Edit View, Window and Help, are also common to many Windows programs. Other menus, such as Draw, Modify and Tools, are more commonly found in CAD programs. If we click on a menu and just let our mouse hover over a command, if we're not sure what this command actually does, all we need to do is check the comment that now appears in the status bar, and this will give us some idea as to the purpose of this particular command. It's also possible to access commands in the menus without even using the mouse. This makes sense if you're very familiar with where the commands are in which menus, and you just want to access these commands quickly without reaching up every time to the menu bar and scrolling down and clicking on a command. At the moment I have my list of menus here. If I hold down the Alt key, you'll notice that the names of the menus now have certain letters underlined. So in the case of Format, the letter O is underlined, and still holding down the Alt key, if I now press O, it will open up the Format menu for me. Going down this list, again, the individual commands also have specific letters underlined. So if I want to access the line style menu, still holding down the Alt key, all I have to do is press N and the line style window will open. Another way to quickly access frequently used commands is to use keyboard shortcuts. For example, if we go up to the View menu, we have a command here called Clean Screen, and what this will do is give us a full screen view without all the menu bars, docking windows and toolbars, etc. And the shortcut for this is Control-0. So if I just leave the menu, Control-0, I now have a full screen view of my design, and Control-0 brings me back to my normal user interface. If you want to add or modify key shortcuts, just go to Tools, Customize Interface, Keyboard Shortcuts, until you find a list of shortcut keys and override keys, which we'll be looking at a little later on.